Now at 6, Holyoke Medical Center is announcing plans to build a new psychiatric care building on their campus. This comes as the 74 inpatient psychiatric beds are set to close at Providence Behavioral Health Hospital. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live in Holyoke, getting answers about what this might mean for the community. Audrey?
Trinity Health New England will discontinue the 74 inpatient beds that they operate at Providence Behavioral Health Hospital. This is happening on June 30th, a week from today. Hospital officials say that the reasoning is because there's no longer enough psychiatrists to keep the patients safe. Now, Holyoke Medical Center releasing plans for an 84-bed psychiatric health facility, and their officials today expressing no concern about a similar shortage.
Obviously, we're going to have a need of behavioral health beds in the region.
Holyoke Medical Center President Spiros Hatiras says the goal is to build an 84-bed behavioral health pavilion as soon as possible. Hatiras says the planned facility will serve adult and geriatric psychiatric patients. Notably absent, pediatric beds.
We don't really have pediatric services here at Holyoke Medical Center.
Trinity Health New England, in a release to Western Mass News, announcing an end to their inpatient services, including pediatrics, at nearby Providence Behavioral Health Hospital. In May, Trinity claimed the reason was a shortage of psychiatrists. Holyoke Medical Center officials didn't express the same concern.
We have a very good reputation in terms of providing mental health services, and by creating, like I said, a brand new state-of-the-art facility, I don't think we're going to have any issue with recruiting people to work here.
She had been discharged just a few weeks before that news came out.
Jamie Guerin is the guardian of a former pediatric patient who used Providence's inpatient services. She said even at that time, it took days for a space to open up for the teenager.
Basically, there wasn't a pediatric psychiatric bed in all of Massachusetts.
She says the ending of Providence's 74 inpatient beds is upsetting, especially since the proposed Holyoke Medical Center facility won't include mental health care for children.
It's not something you can just send kids home and say, just promise not to hurt yourself. What happens when children don't get the mental health care that they need?
We reached out to Trinity for an updated response. In their initial statement, they did say that the substance use treatment program would continue to be run out of this facility. Live in Holyoke, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.